Subscribe to Jessie's Recipes and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Hello everyone, this is Jazla Ismat and welcome to Jessie's Recipes. Today I have come out with a new recipe, that is Sambal Vada. It is a wonderful evening snack and easy way to finish off the leftover rice. To begin with, grind 1 cup of cooked rice with some water in a blender till it turns to a paste. This is how it will look like, and now transfer the mashed rice to a bowl. Next, add 2 cups of wheat flour, some salt, half a teaspoon of yeast, and then add water little by little and mix everything really well with your hand. It will be little sticky, but it is totally fine. You will need only 2 to 3 tablespoons of water because we have already added water to grind the rice. Now cover and let it sit for 2 to 3 hours in a warm place to become double in size. For this, we are going to make coconut sambal as the filling. For this vada, the specialty is the coconut sambal as the filling. Already I have shared the coconut sambal recipe. I will share the link in the description box. But for this recipe, you have to fry the sambal. Also note that here you should add the lemon juice after you fry the sambal. If you add it before and fry, the sambal will give you a bitter taste. After it becomes double in size, give a good mix using a spoon and then wet your hands and take a spoonful of batter onto your palm. Using the wet fingers of the other hand, make a flat disc. Spoon the stuffing in and bring together the edges in the center to seal the stuffing and shape it into a round ball. You will find difficult in the very first time to shape into balls, but when you keep on doing, you will get used to it. Heat the oil in a pan and carefully drop the sambal vada in a preheated oil. Don't overcrowd the pan. I added only 4 to 5 vada. You all add according to the size of your pan. Keep in low-medium flame and cook till both sides are golden. Turn over and cook in low-medium flame itself, or else the inside will not get cooked properly. According to this measurement, you will get around 16 sambal vada. Once both sides are fried well, remove the vada using a slotted spoon and drain in a paper towel. My sambal vada is done and ready, and please do try at home and post the pictures in the Instagram by tagging Jessie's Recipes. Don't forget to share and like Jessie's Recipes. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe for more recipes. Thank you for watching.